Dear students, see the next one from 11th standard. Mostly in the straight line chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 3.7. Okay. Actually, this problem is related with the relative velocity, but we are going to approach in different way. Okay. And then it is a fantastic problem. Okay, it's a very interesting and fantastic problem. Then if you observe the question, we feel somewhat difficult. Okay, but if you understand the concept, it is highly easy. Within in 2 steps you can get the answer. Okay, see that interesting question. Observe carefully. Listen. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter. Okay, two train irukku. Each train length value 400 meter. So you know very well. Okay, because sometimes we are going to railway junction. Okay, the compartments pass the okay. Sometimes we will be that is near the engine, but your relative or some person you have to invite, but he is in the last compartment. Okay, sometimes we call, so we are working to cover entire all the compartments. So nearly 500 meter we are walking at the time within very short time. So everyone having that experience, So the train length is given 400 meter. Okay. Then two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving on two parallel tracks. Okay, two parallel tracks with the uniform speed of 72 km per hour. ரெண்டு track இருக்கு, ரெண்டு trackல the train போகுது with the same speed. Okay, in the same direction. Okay, so here important point, with A head of B. Okay, A train கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி போயிட்டு இருக்கு, B train கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி வருது. For example, this is A train, this is B train, this is A train, this is B train. So the A train somewhat farther, this is B train is somewhat backside. Okay, now it is moving with the same speed, that is 72 km per hour in the same direction. This is the situation. Okay, right. So for example, நீங்களும் உங்க friend bicycle போறீங்க, cycle or motorcycle something. Okay, your friend is moving here, you are the back side of your friend. You are both moving in the same direction. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You have to overcome your friend. உடனே என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You have to accelerate your bike. Correct or not? You have to accelerate your bike. The same thing only. The train B driver. See that? It's a train A 72 km per hour in the direction. Train B also 72 km in this direction. This is the situation. Okay. But the driver of B train decide to overtake A. இவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? இவர் முடிவு பண்ணிட்டாரு, ட்ரெயின் ஏ இப்போ நம்ம ஓவர் ட்ராக் பண்ணியே ஆகணும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆக்சிலரேட் பண்ணணும். சும்மா ட்ரெயின் ஆக்சிலரேட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கிறாரு. Okay, and want to accelerate, he accelerated by 1 meter per second square. So after that he decided to accelerate this train B 1 meter per second square. So this much acceleration he applied. எவ்வளோ நேரம் அப்ளை பண்ணுறாரு அப்படின்னா 50 seconds. 50 seconds he accelerate. 50 seconds he accelerate 50 meter per, 1 meter per second square acceleration. So the time value is given 50 seconds. Okay, but இவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? The same 72 km per hour only. But இவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? 50 seconds he accelerates 1 meter per second square acceleration. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? Train A is here, train B is here. If he accelerate 1 meter per second square acceleration, 50 seconds means 50 seconds என்ன ஆகும்? It will be overtake A. So this situation occurs. Okay, accelerate the situation is coming. So this is A train, now this is the B train. The B train is overtaken the A train. Okay, you remember that the situation? So after overtaking, what you do? If you are overtaking your friend, what you do? Then after seeing the backside, you are saying hi something. The same thing only here happened. If after 50 seconds, the gone எங்க பாரு ட்ரெயின்ல பேக் சீட் பாரு பார்த்துக்கிறீங்களா the back side of the train, the last compartment, the separate coach. So that God is there. Okay. So this God, while we overtake the train A, அப்ப train A driver எங்க இருப்பாரு? Train B ஓட God கடைசியில் இருப்பாரு. அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? After the 50 second, the God of B just brushes past the driver of A. அப்படியே சொல்றாரு சும்மா செக் பண்ற மாதிரி. Okay. Now for imagination, is it ஒரு ஹை சொல்றாரு. Okay. The train B God says hi to the train A driver. So in this situation, I mean after 50 seconds, that is a meaning. This is for jolly purpose I say it. Okay. So that 1 second, 1 meter per second squared applying like that 50 seconds. So after 50 seconds, he covered some distance. He overtook some distance. So that distance only asking. That is the distance between the train A and B. That is question. Okay. Train A and B uniform speed la போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Train A கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Train B என்ன பண்றாரு? He decided to overtake train A. So he accelerated the train 1 meter per second square for 50 seconds. Then after 50 seconds, the train B is overtake the train B. I mean covered. It is overtaken. So how much distance? What is the distance between train A and B? அப்படி சொல்லலாம். இல்ல train A ஓட டிரைவருக்கும் train B ஓட கார்டுக்கும் உள்ள distance சொல்லலாம். Okay. So that distance is asking. That is a question. Okay. Listen. So initially if you observe that train A and B same velocity. Same velocity means what is the meaning here? The relative velocity is 0 one another. Relative velocity 0 one another means both we consider as rest position. Both we consider as rest position. Okay, both we consider as rest position. So the both velocity in same direction. So the relative velocity is 0 when before the acceleration. So both are considered as in rest position. Okay, right. You understand this diagram and this concept? Then after that, he applied the acceleration 1 meter per second square for 50 seconds. So the train B is overtaken and it is crossed. Okay, so after 50 seconds, what is the distance between them? So initial velocity we consider as 0. Because initial velocity, what is the meaning? Before the acceleration. Before the acceleration is relative velocity, it's 0. So S is equal to ut plus half at square formula I use. So initial velocity is considered as 0, so this term will not come. So S is equal to half into acceleration. Acceleration is how much? Acceleration 1 meter per second square. The time is how much? For 50 seconds. So 50 squared is nothing but 2500 divided by 2. That is 1250 kilometer. Sorry, 1250 meter. Okay, 1250 meter. Okay, nearly 1.25 kilometer. Okay, you understand this question? If you observe the question, so you feel something. But if you analyze this diagram and situation, we can compare it with the practical life. It is so easy. Okay, thank you.